Is the Freedom Charter a sell-out document or a progressive document? I'm interested in hearing your views about the Freedom Charter. As you know, that the Freedom Charter is a very divisive document between those who are termed the Charterist and those who are called the Pan-Africanist or the Black Consciousness on the other side. You know that this year marks 70 years. This year marks 70 years since the adoption of the Freedom Charter in Kliptown. Some even refer to the Freedom Charter as the Kliptown document. So, welcome to the platform, guys. My name is Debos Kosana. The name of the platform is Izwi Labansundu, the voice for Africans. Please, guys, help me grow this platform. There's various ways that can help me to grow the platform. Can subscribe, please subscribe. It is for free to subscribe and then click on the notification